Alright folks, the Cajun one here again, just making the cabin stuff. Uh, Game changer possibly. Maybe you thought of it, maybe you didn't, but it's simple. Rails mounted on the ground for the Alaska sawmill. Just full size 12 gauge unistrut for the crossbars. The uprights are 10 gauge half size, and then 1/2 inch round bar across. All I do is roll my log up there, secure it. Once I make the first cut with the bars, I can rock and roll after that. Saves me the setup trouble of having to fixture the log and everything else. Costs less than $100 to set it up, and the good thing about it is if you're making 2-inch wood, you simply move the bar down 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, whatever size you desire. I'm making full dimensional lumber on the cabin, so it works out great for me. The good part about it is it's bolted together, and that's just offcuts of timber driven into the ground with some lag bolts, and then you drive them in the ground and leveling everything off. Really easy. Saves you about 80% of the time on setting up, because all you have to do is roll the log in there, get your first cut, and then you go with the chainsaw mill directly on the log from there. So it really saves a lot of time. Maybe you thought of it, maybe you hadn't. So just a little food for thought there. I'm doing this by myself, and this really helps out a lot, because all I have to do is roll the log up and cut. So anyway, just figured I'd try and give y'all a little helping hand, anything to help. Like I say, maybe you thought of it, maybe you hadn't, but I'm new to all this, so maybe it's an old trick everybody knows. I don't. So this is just a good old day at the home front here. Just cutting away, see what we got going on. So anyway, that's 2 full-length 10-foot pieces, and added on 2 5-foot pieces for 15 feet, so I can still make a 14-foot board. And then if you ever need to go longer, all you have to do is take the 2 5-foot pieces off and add 2 10-foot pieces. So like I say, it's works pretty good. So oh well, over here, mosey on over. See what's happening in the garden. This is my first summer in Alaska, so not much in the garden wasn't really prepared, but the potatoes are doing fairly good. Roost stout method, we just dug down the dirt through the vines and put some seed potatoes and covered them with straw. Hopefully at least get more than the potatoes out of it than I put seed potatoes in. Like I say, we got broccoli and cauliflower all through here. Like I say, next summer I'll have more time to prepare for a proper garden. This was kind of just a quick spur of the moment thing. Trying to get something growing. But it's a whole lot different than gardening in Louisiana. But as far as tomatoes go, I do have hope. Got some blossoms. Summer not doing so hot. It's cool nights here with no greenhouse. So we shall see. There's some more of them. Anyway, this is a Cajun one. Just keeping everybody in the loop. You know, I'm still here, still kicking. Be safe. God bless. Cajun one out.